Hi, I'm Marcia Ramson, and I wonder, do you have a place where you write things down to do every day? Well, I want to give you 3 tips in choosing a good planner. You see, there are so many out there. I actually just pulled out all of these. You can find them small, leather, black, colorful. What is the best planner? Well, the best planner is the one that works for you. And the one that works for you needs to have different elements. It needs to have a day page, it needs to have a monthly calendar across both sides of the page, and it needs to have sections so that you can keep notes in it as well. Secondly, you want to have a planner that you like. It's sort of like ladies choosing a purse. It's your style, it's what you do, and you want to find one that you like. It's your personal accessory. It's like your personal assistant. You might be asking, why do I need a planner? I just go with the day and I have everything on my phone. Well, yes, you have all your appointments on your phone, but you may not get all the to-dos done. They're usually a separate list, but a planner is where you plug those to-dos into a time. That makes all the difference, and I love to teach people about time blocking, how to prioritize their day, or as Stephen Covey says, don't schedule your priorities, prioritize your schedule. And so you always want to do your priorities first. Thirdly, the tip is you need to have a time that you actually plan it out for the day. Usually I call that the morning power bump. And in the evening, you want to have an evening wind down where you review the day, put 2 smiley faces of things you enjoyed and did well, and put a dash by something you want to improve tomorrow. So for instance, my dash was I want to take a walk every day after lunch. And so I started doing that because I had the intention of making my life better and getting healthier. So if you need some tips on getting the right planner, that's the first step. But how to use your planner, that's my expertise. And I'd love to see how you plan and help you with it. So go to organizingpro.com, sign up for You're Going to Work Smarter and Thrive, and I will go through your planner, upgrade your time systems, look at your time tools, give you what's the latest and what will work for you. So 3 coaching sessions, you're going to be off and running. It's going to be all set and you're going to have a great day. So don't get stuck in the store going, what will help me plan my time? Well, you want to come over and I'll help you understand your life, and then I will be able to tell you which one is best for you. All right, see you at organizingpro.com. Sign up for Work Smarter and you will thrive. Bye for now.